What's up YouTube, and welcome to Amskater. We're here with Jaren, and we're back. We've been gone, it's been holidays, we've been busy, and we're back now. Here's a new video with this guy. We're gonna do a 5 on flat. You got it?
I got it. I got 5 tricks right now.
Let's go. I fell, I hit the box, I fell, and I got a cramp. Oh! Right?
Alright guys, that's my 5 on flat. Let me know what trick you like best in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and let us know whose 5 on flat you want to see next. That is a night. Thanks for watching Amskater. Peace.